Hi, I'm Rachel from the Porch Company, and I'm here to explain how our PVC panels can create beautiful, unique, and low-maintenance railings for your porch or deck. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to install our PVC panels with railings made on-site with materials purchased from your local lumberyard. We often use this method at the Porch Company when our client wants railings painted to their unique color or just to reduce costs while providing a low-maintenance solution. For our railings, we use pressure-treated lumber to provide the strength needed for a guardrail. Then we cap that with a PVC or other maintenance-free board. Let's get started. Let's assume your deck is built and you have core posts set ready to install your railings. The first thing you want to do is install your sleeve covers over the core posts. We will use the Hermitage PVC cap and sleeve that we fabricate in our shop in Nashville and is available on our store. The sleeve and cap can be painted to your choice of colors. It is also made to fit over a 6x6 post. If you're using a 4x4 post, make sure you block out where the railings will attach. We'll install the sleeve caps later. Let's measure between the posts to determine the lengths needed. Our panels come in standard sizes but can be appended or cut to create any length. The length of your cap rail is determined by your local building codes. In our first example, we're using the Cathedral Picket panel, and we have measured 7 feet 4 inches between the sleeves. Therefore, we will need 2 pressure-treated boards, 2 PVC boards, and 2 Cathedral Picket panels. We will need to cut off 4 inches off each panel. Be sure to cut the outside ends to keep a factory joint in the middle. If you join with factory ends, your spacing will be correct. Cut the pressure-treated lumber and the PVC board to 7 feet 4 inches. Attach one of the PVC boards to the bottom of the panels by screwing up through the bottom. Attach one of the pressure-treated boards to the top of the panels by screwing through the top of the boards into the panels. Put a dab of PVC glue where the panels join. Now, assemble the pieces such that the PVC boards cap the pressure-treated lumber. By using a 2-part cap and bottom rail, all screws can be hidden. Attach the railing assembly to the post, add your caps, and you're done. In the second example, we want to use the Chippendale pattern as a centered accent with picket panels on either side. Let's take the picket panel and cut it in half. Then, making sure to append the factory edges, we'll attach to either side of the Chippendale panel. We'll cut off the 4 inches on either side of the picket panel and assemble the 3 pieces. Now attach the panels to the pressure-treated and PVC cap and bottom rail as described earlier. Attach the rails to the posts. Install the post caps, and you're done. I think you get the idea. Having 2 4-foot-long panels to mount in each section is sure a lot easier than mounting 17 individual pickets. And we can create patterns that would take much more time or even be impossible to achieve in wood. And we don't have to worry about rot or decay. Need help determining how many panels you need? Send us your plans and we'll make sure you get it right. Call or email us. We're here to help.